Generative AI is profoundly changing the world as we know it. It is changing our world in various ways, impacting how we perceive and interact with technology, content creation, and even our understanding of creativity and intelligence. Generative AI models and algorithms or applications can create art, music, and design that are increasingly difficult to distinguish from those created by humans. This not only opens up new avenues for creativity but also raises a lot of questions around privacy, authorship, and originality. But anyway, let me introduce you to this new tool called as Panorama AI, and this is simply amazing tool. This primarily transforms any Google Street View into your own described world. For example, on the left hand side, you can search for any location. Let me search for the location in my city, which is, let me say, Sydney Harbour Bridge, and then here I'm just going to say it maybe futuristic, Mars like, ultra sleek and modern. And then you can either remix it or morph it. And there is a subtle difference between remixing the stuff or morphing the stuff. When we say remix primarily entails or involves taking one or more existing images and altering them to create a new piece. This can include editing techniques like cropping, color adjustment, adding text or other graphical elements, combining parts of different images or applying filters. Whereas when we say morphing in images refers to a digital effect where one image transforms smoothly into another. This process involves gradually changing shapes, colors, and features of one image to become another image over a sequence of frames, creating the illusion of one object or scene turning into another. So, remixing images is all about creativity altering and combining elements from existing images to produce new content, whereas morphing is about creating a smooth transition between two distinct images to form a continuous visual narrative. Okay, now let's click on change the world, and on the right hand side it has started changing it, so let's wait for it to finish. I really like the interface too, really amazing. I will let it run and see how long does it take. So there you go. So this is our Sydney Harbour Bridge. Where is my Harbour Bridge? So it is all Mars look. Okay, and this is a 360-degree view just like Google Street View. I simply see hints of my Sydney Harbour Bridge, but it doesn't look like anything. Anyway, I'm going to change the Mars like. I think Mars look is just making it a bit barren and stuff. Pretty vivid. Let's see. Let's run it again. Okay, so this is this looks like Sydney Harbour Bridge at night, but I can hardly make out the Harbour Bridge. This looks like bit of Sydney, no doubt about that. I don't see any vibrancy and vividness into this. Okay, but looks cool. Anyway, let me try out morphing it. So I just click on morph, and instead of futuristic, maybe I'll just say make it prettier. Change the world. So it has morphed it into something else. It's a beach scene, which is correct, and it has done everything, but it has just transformed the bridge. Maybe this is the bridge which has been transformed. That is pretty crazy. Okay, that is nice. Okay, I'm just going to go with maybe Bondi Beach this time. Just selected it. I'll say um, surfing and maybe how about if I don't give anything? Okay, I need to enter a prompt. Okay, so maybe I'll just say Picasso painting of Bondi Beach. Let's see. And this takes around 1 minute or so, sometimes 2 minutes to generate it. So this is some sort of um, vaguely familiar area around Bondi Beach, but where is the beach? Okay, I don't see any beach here. These buildings looks vaguely familiar around Bondi Beach, but doesn't look like beach from any place. Okay, so if I click on examples, it is showing us some of the examples here. As you can see, psychedelic countryside, cyber world, Delhi city, alien spaceship, enemy match. What is enemy match? Okay, this is interesting. Yeah, this looks good. That is nice with the enemy match. Okay, that is nice. Maybe I'll just search for another location with the or maybe Sydney Opera House with this enemy artwork. Let's change it. There you go. So it has generated good image. Some because Opera House is near sea, so it has given it something. So I was also expecting some hints of Opera House, which I don't see. Maybe behind this, I'm not sure. Anyway, this is it. Good fun. And then, last but not least, you can click on this share and share it with the world if you want, and if you think that your creation is worthy enough. I'll drop the link to this website in the video description. We don't have to log in or sign up, which is cool. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network. Thanks for watching.